Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and this is my 4-year ownership review of my 2011 Audi R8 V10. And it's not only a V10, but it has a gated manual transmission. Only about 5% of first-gen Audi R8s, V10 R8s, have a gated manual transmission. And as you know, for the second gen that came here in model year 2017, they dropped the V8, made it V10 only, but you cannot get a manual transmission. Sorry, it's a very windy fall day. I don't know when you'll be seeing this. And we got landscapers, so it's not ideal to film a video. And this car is about to go away for the winter. Basically, I'm gonna take it for motor vehicle inspection, which I just tried to go, but the line was around the block, so I'll try again next week, because it's only like 40-something degrees, 50 degrees. Next week will be 50, but 30s in the morning, so got to get it done sooner or later. So an overview, I bought this in October of 2021, right around Halloween. I actually chased this very car for a couple of years. This came up for sale in 2020 at a very good price, and it basically sold in a day. And then I was like, oh man, I would do anything, because all these cars, you know, I like colorful cars. I like blue is my favorite. I like red, I like orange, I like yellow. 80% of these cars are white, silver, white, black. What did I say? White, silver, black, white, silver, gray, black. So I wanted red and I wanted blue. Somewhere in Audi forums, they told me there's about 25 blue V10 manuals and about 25 red V10 manuals. So this is one of those. It's got the carbon fiber package, which gives you the wheels, the interior, the mirror caps, probably a couple other things I'm forgetting. It's got the upgraded wheels, so there's 2 wheels for these. These are the larger wheels. I think they're 21s, I believe. I'll double check that. What do we got here, Glenn? No, what am I crazy? Thinking of my Panamera. These are 19s. So, but these are the optional bigger, wider wheels. P0 tires. Glenn forgets, when you have too many cars and you don't know what's on your car, that means you have too many cars, what it means. So what can I tell you about this car? Well, I always wanted one. I always wanted a V10 and a manual. I just love these cars since they came out. I think they are better looking than the next gen, even though the next gen is faster with the dual clutch transmission. It's really cool how you put PPF the front, how the dealer do that when I bought it. And I PPF'd, had my friend Tommy Lee PPF the side blades, because New Jersey, we can't pump our own gas, and I don't trust somebody pumping this and leaking gas, so this is all PPF'd as well. The car would come with a tan or a black interior. I like the contrast of the tan, but I would also take black. Reliability. So this car's been super reliable. I bought a fidelity warranty instead of an Audi warranty. It would only go back 10 years. So with the fidelity warranty, they will cover the mag ride, which leaks on every car and fails on every car. The Audi warranty does not, and you can only go back 10 years on the warranty. So my car, for example, here's that V10 engine. I bought it in 2021, it's 2011. So I called up Fidelity, and they said I basically had to make a decision in a week or a month if I wanted the warranty, because they only go back 10 years. And I was going to take a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty for, I don't know what it was, $4,000, somewhere in that range. At the last second, I got a 7-year, 70,000 mile warranty, and I bought this car with 18,000 miles. So that means I could go to 88,000 miles, drive it for 7 years, and still have a bumper-to-bumper warranty for like $8,000. I think it was $8,700 with tax. So right now, I'm about 18,000, 19,000 into the warranty. So the first year, I don't think it was the first year, maybe the second year, I had the tire pressure monitoring system go, TPMS. That was covered, would have been $2,500, no problem. Then last year, and I made my 3-year ownership video, and like a week later, I brought it in for service, and I found out my mag ride was leaking. Mag ride was about 4,000 a corner, give or take. So let's say 16,000 plus tax. So that's your 19,000 right there. So the warranty is paid for itself, and I still have 3 years left, and I could still drive. I think I have 23,000 miles now. So I could still drive, what, another 55,000 miles and be under warranty. So in the next 3 years, assuming I have this for the next 3 years, I'm gonna try to drive this car as much as I can. Like I said, I've only put 5,000 miles in 4 years. Typically when I get a car, and this is the last, I guess, sports car I bought, that was 2021, except for the Panamera Turbo, which is my daily that I bought in 2023. But usually the first year I get a car, I'm enamored with it. I drive it 2,000 or 3,000 miles. And again, remember, I'm testing about 50 cars a year, plus my own daily driver, plus my real estate business. So I'm lucky if I drive these cars once or twice a month. So that's why the mileage is limited. But then, you know, I usually drive the car I bought recently, and that gets all the miles. But this has been a fantastic car. It's phenomenal. It's comfortable. It reminds me of the original NSX, and if you know the channel, you know I have an 05 NSX, and previous to that I had a 1995 NSX. The R8 reminds me of the NSX because it's comfortable. Your spouse will go in it. It's a lot of fun to drive. It's reliable. It's good looking. And the only difference is this has better sound than the NSX and is a lot more powerful. My NSX is 290 horsepower. This is 525. We got all the planes out today. There we go. All right. But it's been phenomenal. So let's start her up. I'll show you some things on the interior. How do you know it's a V10? Well, you see this badge, and I guess anybody can do the badge. There's no ceramic brakes on these, so they are steel brakes. They are expensive because I think they are Lamborghini brakes. A real V10 has the black here. So you see a lot of the V8 guys, and I don't blame them, they wrap this in black so it looks like a V10 car. Just to me, it looks so much better. This also has the carbon fiber package in the engine bay. We'll do another video on that. The problem is you don't have a button. You have a button for the front trunk, but you don't have a button to open it here. You have to actually start the car and then lift the trunk. So you want to show it on Cars and Coffee, you got to go in and put a key in it, and you don't even have, you know, a key fob. Obviously you have a key fob, and you have to actually put the key in to start it. So we'll do a full video. This car does have a Klein exhaust that sounds amazing, and we will do a video that next time. I'm running out of memory here, but we'll start it up. And the car's been super reliable. It's probably gone up about 10 or 20 grand in the 4 years I have it. And I think it'll continue, you know, it's going to follow the market. So it'll go up and down, up and down, up and down. But there's only like 700 something V10 manuals, about 5% of production. So I think this could be, you know, 10 years from now, this could easily be a $200,000 car. All right, so let's start it up. And you hear that V10 roar. Sounds great. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.